Hello everyone, now I am in Little India in Singapore. So normally I will take the train DT. We will take you to Little India station. When you come out, now I will start the tour for Little India, where you will find all the Indian products as well. So this is Little India. You can see usually flowers. It's for puja, hair color, the herbal soaps as well, like oils, spices, onions, lentils. Okay, let's see what they have here. Pen shops everywhere. So this is where Little India starts. They have Kamala restaurant, which is authentic South Indian restaurant. So one thing you have to remember, Singapore has official language Tamil. It's a South Indian language here, majority Chinese as well, and Singaporean. So you have to remember when you have listened to the announcements here as well, it's mostly it is in both three languages and plus English. So this is the fresh fruit market, and like one piece of this watermelon is around $2 Singaporean. It's like 120, 130 pound, 1 pound 30 pence. And papaya, they have nicely clean vegetables, fruits available here. Also they have M.A. Osman. Assalamu alaikum brother. They have halal meat as well available. From London. 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 Yeah. Alhamdulillah brother. Travel Junkie UK, yeah? Please subscribe. Thank you. So they have this, lots of meat shops. Wow. Basically lamb, chicken, chicken liver, everything is available. And fish. I think the storage facilities as well. They are all usually small counters here. You can see squid, crabs. Mm-hmm. They're Singaporeans. Look, Tamil leaf. Usually they buy this leaf and then they have their lunch and dinner or breakfast served on these leaves. So now I'm gonna go out of this place. So this is for another exit of DT and line and E line, northeast line. Oh, lovely smell of mangoes. If you can see, amazing. Oof. Wow. Beautiful flowers. We have Mr. Taylor is here. And very nice flowers available. So this is what I've shown you in this mall, and now just after this you will find this. People come here for their um, grocery shopping, and they get the fresh vegetables plus clothes, you name it, everything available, rice, meat, lentils, even the shoes, sandals, everything is here. There's more flowers for the parents to go to the temple. I might need to mute uh, copyright as well. Songs are playing. Usually they have tailor shops here as well. Fashion Palace. They have sari and dresses. Jewelry as well, gold. 22 carat or 24 carat. It's very hot. It's almost done. It's a very big area. Little India is not a small area. I'll show you. I'm coming in the corner right now. Beside me is the gold shops. They said this is a food court around here, which I'm looking for because I'm thirsty. It's very humid. You can see the bus is coming here. 857. There's more shops here. Or more or less is the same. Like if you come here for gold shopping, there's so many gold shops. And they have some offers. The gold are fixed prices. Because of the gold shops, there's so many of them. There's a big competition, so they give good offers around here. All the South Indian restaurants here, vegetarian restaurants. So basically, this was Little India in Singapore. More or less, they have restaurants, food places to eat, clothes shopping, Indian products, fruit, veg, and then if you want to buy gold, this is a place. There's loads of every other shop is a gold shop as well. I have showed you everything. I think I covered everything right now. So now I'm heading towards Haji Lane. I have to, and then Botanic Gardens. That's all is left. So I will try to cover this. Thank you very much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe, and don't forget, press the notification button. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.